Hey guys, this is Achintya Gaumat. In this video, I brought to you India's largest coding competition. Hi guys, in this the prize money is 30 lakhs. तो 30 लाख रुपए prize money. मुझे नहीं लगता, I don't think any other contest in India has prize money more than that. 30 lakh रुपए cash prize. It's not goodies, it's actually cash. So this is a contest code Kaze by Coding Ninjas. Apart from this, there are 100 plus companies hiring from internship and jobs on the basis of your performance on this coding contest. So there are 500 job openings. Which companies are hiring? Let me show you. Wingify, Tokopedia, JungleWorks, SalaryBox, CoinDCX, CoverFox, so many names. Daily Hunt, Zemoso, ShopX. So many companies are hiring, and apart from this, this is open for all year, first year, second year, third year, final year. Any year student can apply for this. So if you want to apply, link is there in the description. Please go ahead and register for it now. This test is happening on 6th of March. If you want to check out more details, how to apply, how to register, how to win and everything, please watch the video till the end. So let me tell you guys, Coding Ninjas is conducting Code Kaze, which is India's largest coding contest with 30 lakh prize money, cash prize money. This is not some goodies or some gift prizes. This is cash, and apart from this, you will get opportunity to sit for internships and jobs in 100 plus companies which are offering 500 job opportunities. You can see the openings below, the package they are offering, number of openings. Like Tokopedia is hiring with the help of them. Tokopedia is very good company, product based company. Daily Hunt is hiring, it's also very great company. These are very good companies which are hiring. So this is the basic introduction. So how it's going to happen, this is going to happen on 6th March. So there's 25 days, so you can prepare, you can practice, you can do a lot of things before you attempt for it. So let's look at more details about it. Let's look at the prize money. What are the details? There are many categories like Gold, Divas, Academic Aces. So in this category there are individual prize monies. For Gold they have like rank 1 of 50,000 cash prize, rank 2 25,000, 15,000, 10,000, 5,000. For Divas it is only for the girls. So first prize is 25,000, 15,000, 10, 7, 3. Academic Aces 15,000, 10, 7, 5, 3. And apart from this there is college wise ranks as well. If there are more than 300 registrations from your college, then there will be a separate rank 1 from your college, 5,000, 3,000, 2,000. And if there is more than 150 and up to 300, then there will be first prize 3,000, 2,000, 1,000. So please share the registration link is there in the description, and invite more students from your college. Also there is all India rank 11 to 1000. If you are coming, everybody will get 1,000 price worth of Amazon cash voucher. Apart from this, your ranking, if you add this ranking in your resume, it will be lot of value. Also, if you say like, if I get a conflict of rank, like I am getting a ranking in GOAT as well as Divas or Academic Aces college, so whichever has a higher prize money will be given to you, as it is written in the FAQs below. So there will be 2 rounds in this coding contest. Round 1 will be happening on 6th of March and round 2 will be happening on 13th of March. So let's see more details. Eligibility criteria. Any year student can apply, first year, second year, third year, final year. So what is Code Kaze? It is India's largest coding contest conducted by Coding Ninjas in collaboration with Future Skills Prime, which is a MIT MeitY Government of India initiative. So what is the date? Date is 6th of March from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. Contest window is 4 hours, but you can attempt the test in maximum of 3 hours. So this is the standard timing of any contest that you are applying for. What kind of language will be supported? 3 languages, C++, Java and Python support will be there. If you are planning to give it in any other language, you cannot give. What is the prize money? Total 30 lakhs prize money. What will happen if I qualify under more than one category, which I have told you earlier? Then you will be getting in the category which is higher prize money. Okay. Is there internship job opportunity? Definitely, on the basis of your performance, your score, your ranking, you will be referred to those hiring partner which are 100 plus for this Code Kaze contest. It is a proctored test. Yes, you will have, there will be camera on all the time. Your audio and video will be recorded. So don't try to cheat or game the system. Coding Ninjas is smarter than you. Okay. Can you invite your friends? Yes. Can I participate in Code Kaze on my phone? No. You have to participate with your laptop or desktop. So अगर आपके पास लैपटॉप नहीं है तो प्लीज़ अपने फ्रेंड, भैया, दीदी, भाभी, किसी का एक दिन के लिए लैपटॉप अरेंज कर लें और उसके थ्रू पार्टिसिपेट करें. Let's talk about how to register. then you can click on the register now. Link is there in the description. Please go and click on it. वहाँ से जाकर register करें, register now पे जाएं. Then it will open Code Studio link. Code Studio is a coding platform which is a world-class platform by Coding Ninjas. Click on register for contest. It will ask you to log in. If you already have an account, create an account. If you don't have an account, then you can just create by a simple process. You can log in Google, etc. And after that, you will just have to, let me show you how to log in. So my account has been already created. Then you just click on register for contest. And then you have to enter your mobile number. So that's done. So this is a very simple process of registration. This is how you can register and be ready at 6 March 6 p.m. 6 p.m. 7 p.m. it will be ready and you can start. You can also invite your friend by sharing the link or etc. They are mentioned 33 problems will be given to you. Total score will be 590. I will recommend you to start, go and start practice for Coding Ninjas. You can practice on Code Studio or any other platform you want. Okay, if you have any other query regarding this is an individual contest. You don't have to participate in team. And if you have any query, you can let us know in the comment section, or you can WhatsApp me, or you can join our WhatsApp groups. And we are going to conduct lots of videos, sessions, seminars regarding educating students regarding Codekaze. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please register. Link is there in the description.